Everyone has been paying attention since the announcement of Insta360 GO 3, and the intense buzz may make it difficult for you to decide if this is the ideal fit for you. We're attempting to provide you all the benefits and drawbacks in this video, so that you can choose whether or not to purchase the Insta360 GO 3. So the GO 3 comes in as a tiny detachable module that weighs only 1.25 ounces and has dimensions of over 2 inches on the long side and 1 inch on the shorter one. At first glance, this looks very similar to its predecessor, but here it's slightly bulkier. This is mainly due to the inclusion of a larger 310 mAh battery, meaning the battery life is also improved. Also, there's now an extra microphone, a beeper that indicates recording start and stops, and a more noticeable status LED. However, it's important to note that the GO 3 is not compatible with any of the existing GO 2 mounts, which might be frustrating if you have a lot of them. This time around, the camera itself comes with an action pod that features a tilting touch screen and a significantly larger battery pack for both the pod and the camera. Although the action part is roughly the same size as a GoPro when combined with the GO 3, it's about 20 grams lighter than the Hero 11 Black. On the back, there's a 2.2-inch flip-up touch screen that allows you to change settings, review your clips, and frame your shots. The action pod connects wirelessly to the GO 3, even though it's mounted in the housing, but this can occasionally result in lag and pixelation in the video preview. In terms of the camera core functionality, the GO 3 is almost the same as the previous one. If you're a fan of the old one, you may not like what we're about to say here. It can shoot videos up to 7K resolution in both landscape and portrait orientations, while the original GO was limited to 1080p. Although the GO 3's video quality is not on par with smartphone cameras, it offers a wider field of view and significantly better stabilization, regardless of whether you're recording in 1440p or 7K. It's likely that software improvements have been made to enhance the image quality, resulting in less graininess and a broader dynamic range. However, you should understand that the GO 3 still falls short of GoPro's quality. You can get even better video results with the iPhone 14. It's really sad to see the main purpose of this camera, which is to shoot quality videos, is really not the prime focus of it, but rather it's playing with the size. Now, it also provides 3 video recording modes: pre-recording, loop recording, and timed capture. The timed capture mode is particularly interesting as they allows you to schedule to go through the power on and start recording at a specific time. This feature does come in handy, especially if you don't want to wake up early to capture a sunrise time-lapse. In our opinion, the lack of 4K video resolution in 2023 is inexcusable. It might be better to consider the DJI Action 2, which offers 4K shooting capability and is just as compact as the GO 2. If you already own a GO 2, there's no compelling reason to upgrade to the GO 3. However, if you are specifically looking for an extremely compact action camera, you might consider purchasing the GO 3, especially if it's available at a discounted price during events like Black Friday. We really fail to see the significant advantages of choosing the GO 3. Nowadays, most of us already have smartphones with screens always available. So, although the combination of the case on the screen is intriguing, we believe a more useful improvement would have been a phone app that loads the preview quickly, especially for that $380. Whereas you can easily get the GoPro Hero 11 for just a few bucks more. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments section down below, and consider subscribing for more content like this. And thanks for watching.